Hey guys, welcome to this week's video.
1, 2, 3, funky.
So this isn't really my normal kind of video. I am by no means an active wear channel, an athlete, or a professional. So if you came to this video, you're not exactly gonna get that kind of opinion, but I think I know enough about like Lulu and fabrics and things like that. So I think you should still stick around even if you're a little cautious about my opinion. A whole pile of some Amazon activewear, and I also have some Lulu leggings in here just because I got my first pair of Lulu leggings and I want to show you guys the fit. I got the Aligns, and then I also got it just so I can compare the fabric to these other fabrics. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing I want to show you guys is actually the top by Lemony, I guess, that went really viral on TikTok. I think they're currently around $22, $23. I got this like teal greenish color just because it was like a fun color, and it also was on the cheaper end because different colors kind of vary on prices by like $1 or a couple dollars. So I just wanted to try a different color than I normally would. So that's what the inside looks like. So I flipped the inside out. It has padding that has like a seam down the middle, so the padding doesn't like merge together in the top. Let me just go ahead and try it on. All right, so it took me a second to get the top on. So honestly, the straps are kind of tight. Like they don't look tight like right now, but they're kind of dig in slightly. So here's how it looks. It fits me like pretty skin tight whether I'm sucking in or not, because right now I'm kind of sucking in because I did eat a nice generous dinner with some desserts and things. So here's what the padding looks like. You can definitely see it if you lift up this top, but obviously you don't see it through this color, and you don't really see the outlines of it either. It's really flattering. Also, I like the cut, and it makes my boobs look good, and honestly maybe slightly bigger than they actually are, which is not always okay with me. That's what the back looks like. It's very smooth fabric. I don't really consider it like a Lulu fabric or anything like that, but it's nice. This does get a thumbs up for me though. I do like it a lot. I haven't worn it to work out in particular, but I have worn it out and about. We can go ahead and talk about the next top though. So it's like this racer back top, and it's like an olive green color, and it's by Vietnamese Beauty. And the back says enjoy your life. I don't know, it was like $15 on Amazon. It had good reviews, and I was like, I'm gonna try it. So I also got this in a medium. It also has built-in padding, and let's go ahead and try it on. So here is the top on. I kind of feel like it's awkward that y'all can't really see my face, but like it's also not about my face, it's about the clothing item. And yeah, this top fits also really cute. Again, it's the medium. This fabric is also slightly softer, but I think it's because I haven't washed the top yet, because the other top is really soft too. And I forgot to mention that I also hand washed that top, and I also hand washed my Align leggings and another pair of leggings that I'm going to show you in a second. I air dry them too. Anyways, so it fits really nice. When I suck it a little bit, it kind of gapes to the bottom just slightly, but it's not like a big deal because it fits for the most part, and it also has the same sort of padding transparent thing layer. So yeah, basically a lot of Amazon sellers have been, you know, getting all the hype and trying to sell the same tops, but everything is different quality, you know? I hadn't even heard of this brand for this particular top, and I'm not sure if this is a Lulu dupe, because I know there's an Align top dupe, which I really want to try out, and I'll probably try it out soon, I don't know. You can kind of see a slight outline if you look hard enough, but overall, it's a nice top. So let's move on to some leggings now. I'll show you my Lulu Aligns. So I wore these for the first time, like, this past weekend, and I got the 25-inch seam ones. Actually cut out the tag, but I have it right here. Got it in a size 6, and with taxes and everything it was like $107. I kept the receipt too because I just want to remember the day where my wallet was screaming at me. For reference, 25-inch waist, I'm around 115 pounds. I kind of fluctuate, sometimes a few pounds below that, and I just didn't want it to fit super snug because, you know, Aligns are for like lounging or like yoga, so I'm not trying to be like sucked in. Okay, I'll try them on since you asked. Here what the leggings look like on. I honestly can't really tell what you're looking at. Oh, pretty high-waisted, so they go over my belly button piercing, which isn't too uncomfortable since I've had the piercing for like over a month now, but I'm just still trying to be careful with it, you know, the healing process and everything. Here's what the back looks like. I don't have like a big ass or anything, and then as you can see, it like comes down my ankle. They have obviously a lot of stretch and a lot of room left, but I like them like that. So okay, so I forgot to transition and talk about the next pair of leggings, but these are like dupes for the Aerie ones that also went like viral on TikTok. Everyone went crazy and wanted to get them, and these are some dupes because I didn't want to spend like $45 on the real pair. Plus the real pair is like really high-waisted, and these don't cover my belly button piercing, so I feel like I could easily go to the gym with this and not aggravate my piercing. But yeah, so I don't know what length these are, but they go down to my ankle, and they have like the whole front seam just like a lines, and then the little crisscrossy pattern that sucks you in. The brand is like Ododos or something. You can see it on the back right there. It has like the back seam going down the butt as well, and they're actually like super soft. Like I love how these feel. These are so comfy. Yeah, they have a bunch of different colors. They also have a different style they came out with too that's like buttery soft that I haven't had the chance to try yet. These are around $20, and they're really cute. Even if you don't want to work out in them, you want to just suck your waist in and look good, girl, you go for it. Let me go ahead and transition to the nice pair of leggings, because these I actually saw in a video from Hope Scope. So they're originally like $12 and she reviewed them, but now they're up to like 20, I want to say, but I got these for 14. They're so cute. I think it's the same color she got too. It's like this lilac purple color. Brand Lammy Baby, I think is how you say that. A size small. Oh, there's all the little details. It's nylon and spandex and polyester, I guess. Can y'all see that? And there's like a big pocket in the back for like a credit card. And there's pockets on the sides. So here are the third pair, or I guess the third pair of leggings I'm showing you off the second Amazon pair. So waistband is pretty thick. You can probably pull it over your belly button if you really wanted to, but they're the 7/8 length. So it's the little mesh paneling at the bottom, and then the pocket is like sewn off right there, so you can easily fit your phone. Yeah, I have an XR. My XR fits just fine. I also realized I didn't squat proof any of the other leggings, but Lululemon lines, they're black, they're probably squat proof. You don't squat in them anyways. And then the Adodos ones, or whatever, however you say that, they're black and they're kind of thin, but I think they're thick enough to be squat proof, because I have on bright yellow Victoria's Secret underwear, so you can't see it. When I just twist around, you're probably fine with squatting too. Here's what the back looks like. And it kind of is gapping at the back. If you look, but I wonder if I washed it, if that would help, or dried it. But even then, the calves are kind of tight, which is what the YouTuber Hope Scope said whenever she recommended these leggings. Overall, they're pretty comfy. Anyways, with the last item, I have some biker shorts by the brand TSLA. Tesla, I don't know. Progressive Sports Guy. I kept the tag just to show y'all. I don't know if this came with it too, this Style and Motion. Oh, this is Adodos. This is Adodos tag. It's like kind of cool. Yeah, Style and Motion. I kept that to show y'all. But what I didn't know is that it's gonna have this little tiny waistband at the top, and you can see the seam sewed under and everything. And it's just not my favorite, but I'll still keep them because they kind of go under my waist like I wanted them to. Got them in a size small, and they're 83% polyester and 17% elastane. And they're okay. I mean, they're standard black shorts. Look at the back. There's some curvatures and stuff. That's cool. Oh, and another thing that I wanted was pockets. Go ahead and try these on though. I'm gonna show y'all. I heard the shorts on. They're honestly advertised to be like below the waist, so that's why I got them, because a lot of the other ones were high waist and had high waist and the title and everything. I don't think these did, and they still ended up being really high, so I just pulled them down because it actually just aggravated my piercing. Honestly, the small is kind of tight in the thighs, but I guess biker shorts are, supposed to be kind of like compression, so they're not supposed to be like loose or anything. That's thin elastic at the top isn't that bothersome like I thought it would be, and the pockets are nicely sized. I'm going to show y'all that these are squat proof as well. I don't even know if y'all can tell though. These haven't been in a YouTube video that I've seen prior though, so I just bought these on my own. My camera decided to die right as I was finishing the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and just end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed until the end and wanted to listen to some random girl who is not that athletic or professional or anything of the sort review Amazon activewear. I mean, I'm a normal person, so I'm not gonna embellish the brands or embellish how I feel about them. I'm gonna give you my straight up opinion because I paid for all of this. I didn't get it sent to me free. Not that those kind of YouTubers lie. I love Hope Scope. I've talked about her like 5 times in this video already. She's really like the only fitness YouTuber that I watch and like fitness activewear reviewer that I watch. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and support my Amazon shopping addiction. And also don't forget to subscribe down below somewhere and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Or you can follow me on TikTok too, but I don't want to post up TikTok that much. I don't know. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Raindrops, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.